In this video, I'll show you how to design a clean and modern typography poster in Canva. Let's get started. All right, first, let's set up our background. Go to Colors and choose any color you like. I'll pick a clean and minimal tone so our typography stands out. Now go to Text and add a heading. Type your text. Next, change the font. I'll choose a bold, stylish font like Garrett. Make it bigger. Place it at the top of the design. This will be our main focus text. Now let's create a lighting effect. Go to Elements, then open Shapes. Select this shape. We are going to use this to create a spotlight effect. Place it like this. Now change its color to white. Reduce the transparency. This gives a soft light glow. Adjust the size until it looks good. Next, add a circle shape. Change its color to white. Place it near the bottom area to create a light reflection effect. Adjust the size until it blends naturally with the background. Now go back to Elements and search for Man Looking Up. Open Graphics and choose the one you like. I'll select this one. Now flip it to the other side, then click on Edit. Go to Shadow and choose Backdrop. Now adjust the direction so the shadow matches the spotlight. Increase the size slightly. Add a little blur for a soft, realistic effect. Adjust again, and we're done. And that's how you create a clean and professional typography poster in Canva. You can experiment with different fonts, colors, and lighting directions to create completely different moods. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Repixo for more Canva tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.